In 2020, around £2 billion was charged in maintenance fees by European timeshare companies. Timeshare owners have been charged in full during the pandemic despite not being able to holiday. By contrast, airlines, hotels, and all other travel sectors are refunding people unable to use services they have paid for. This issue was highlighted by the European Consumer Centre on BBC Radio 4's You and Yours consumer programme. The centre confirmed that there is no foreseeable situation in consumer law where a business can keep your money and not provide you with a service. European consumer claims have teamed up with a specialist firm of lawyers to help timeshare owners achieve compensation for unfair charges. Andrew Cooper, the CEO of ECC, believes the timeshare industry should not be charging members full fees for 2020. ECC have created a website to help timeshare owners get refunds on maintenance charge during the pandemic while they couldn't take a holiday. If you were charged maintenance fees unfairly during the pandemic, you can find help at www.maintenancefeerefunds.com.